She's too young for it.
That's for you. That's for you. Go down the TV.
What do you mean it's for me?
It's for you. Because you've been cranky. That's why I bought you a gift.
Because I'm cranky.
Yeah. You've been cranky lately, so I bought you a gift. I'm pretty sure you will like that.
Move, Monty.
A few moments later.
That's
Yeah, it's for you. You did more than me.
Look at yourself. Let's try. Come on.